Thank you.
In what can be viewed as a growth-oriented budget, Finance Minister Uhuru Kenyatta set an ambitious plan to spend over 1.155 trillion shillings to realize various government objectives to grow the economy. With the government projecting a 5.3% GDP growth during the next financial year, the big question on the minds of many Kenyans is how exactly it intends to finance the budget. Treasury has set a staggering revenue target of 713 billion shillings for KRA as it pegs its hopes on increased consumption and a reduction in fuel prices later this year. Treasury also expects to receive 9.2 billion shillings in appropriations in aid and a further 41.1 billion shillings, which has already been committed as grants from donors. This, however, leaves a budget deficit of 236.2 billion shillings, barring any further revenue shortfalls. To finance the deficit, Finance Minister Uhuru Kenyatta expects to borrow more from the domestic and foreign sources. Uhuru will borrow over 119.5 billion shillings from the domestic market and a further 116.7 billion shillings from foreign concessional loans. Githaiga, Citizen Business.